Hey guys, it's G3Jack here with another video, and in today's video, this is just a quick one because I'm, my throat really hurts and I don't feel like recording a massive video. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your FNF vocals just feel better. So, just a quick tutorial. You can probably do this with a sound font as well, but I'm gonna use a FST, which is like yeah, it's like this. Instead of a sound font, it's like that. So let's just quickly write something. Not thirds. Okay, so we've got that. Put this down here. Zoom in more. And now what we want to do is assign the sound font or FST to a channel. And now we have the channels here. So maybe, well, actually, what you want to do is go to the mixer here, or where it says mixer. Now you press on slot 1, and the first thing you want to add is actually called Fruity Flanger. So what I would do is make sure to just, I've saved it as a preset, but you won't have this because it's a custom one, FNF Voices. So just screenshot this and apply this to it. As you can see, that adds kind of an effect to it. And now we add effector down here. So, oh no, not effector. Sound, whatever. Yeah, sound goodizer. Now put this on C and turn it all the way up. Now that makes it sound good. And like, yeah, sound goodizer. And now add in effect EQ, yeah, Fruity Parametric EQ2. And now, yet again, I already have a preset for this. How do I change presets again? Yeah, right here. So I have FNF Voices. So just kind of put it like that. And as you can see, it sounds a lot better. So, let's just see. I'll put in another version of it. And we'll do this. Make unique. Get rid of this. And just by doing that, you can see the difference a lot. Without the effects, it sounds bland. It's just so good with this. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And I'm really sorry I haven't been uploading lately. I've just been bombarded with school. And I have to wake up really early since I live far away from my school. Whenever I get home from school, I'm really tired. And if I wake up early to do a video, well, I'd have to wake up at like 3:40 or something. So, I really appreciate that you guys still subscribe and like my videos. because I'm at 700 subscribers and I upload like monthly. That's crazy. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and hit the bell so you never miss another one of my videos. Thank you for watching.